So we're staying with the left-right axis, and I want to bring another dimension to this that I find personally very, very helpful in terms of understanding all sorts of stuff. And it runs like this, that ideally we have a combination of law and liberty. And that's what we're looking for, that these two elements, like the left and the right brain, working together produce something integrated, something like a bird, something that has balance. And when you think about butterflies, when you think about insects and the rest of it, it's astonishing the way they fly, but how balanced they are, but how much they need to have all these things working together. So you've got law and liberty appropriately applied produces balance. But if you push either of those too far, you move into areas that are unstable. So law pushed becomes legalism, and liberty pushed becomes license. License means permission giving, means letting go of the normal constraints and moving into areas that are not legit, if you like. Yep, so we have the spectrum. Ideally law and liberty, but push them and you have legalism, and push it in that direction and you have license. And so the left brain, looking at it here, can be depicted as squares, as we've done before, in terms of being like a chessboard, black and white. And then we move a bit further into the scientific realms. So we've got the mortarboard and we've got the microscope. And then we've got the gavel, which is indicating judgment, but also judgmentalism. Yeah, push it too far and you get judgmentalism, legalism. On the other side, you've got those interacting R's there to indicate relationships, and again, the confluence of different aspects of relationships. And then we have an easel with a rainbow coming out of it to indicate the artistic, and ultimately splashes of color and creativity and the breaking of chains. So there are legitimate areas in which these all apply, but then it becomes illegitimate, if you like. And certainly the spectrum of license, where anything goes, is clearly inappropriate. And in this direction, when you have somebody who's a job's worth and tying everything down the whole time, it is just excessive in that direction, and the licentiousness of this side is also excessive. Yeah, so do you get it? There is this spectrum. People are sliding, and people and things and studies and academia slides along these spectrums, but what we're looking for is balance in the middle, and then you can fly.